Click on link below in the description. Don't miss out. There are people earning millions through Binance's Referral Program effective as of May 19, 2018, 0 a.m. UTC. 1. The commission you receive from the referral program will initially be set at a rate of 20%. For accounts holding 500 BNB or more, this rate will increase to 40%. 2. The fee commission will be sent instantly in real time to your Binance account as your referee completes each trade and will be paid to you in whatever token, cryptocurrency the original fee was paid in. 3. There is no limit to the number of friends you can refer, although we do reserve the right to adjust or change the referral program rules at any time. 4. Each referee must be signed up through your referral link, QR code or referral ID. 5. Binance will check for duplicate or fake accounts and will not pay out referral bonuses on these accounts. Duplicate or shared finances will result in disqualification. Important notice: Binance reserves the right to change the terms of the referral program at any time due to changing market conditions, risk of fraud, or any other factors we deem relevant.